they're losing hope, feeling you're forsaken and alone, clinging to the light and your own. May God give you eyes to see His still greater courage to rise and believe He's greater. May God be your peace in the fire you're walking through. This is my prayer now. This is my prayer for you. Those with tired and weary souls, but still have faith and waits for miracles, choosing to believe is in control. May God give you eyes to see His still greater courage to rise and believe your peace in the fire you're walking through. This is my prayer now. May your eyes be ever on the Lord, your helper. May you find your refuge in the Lord, your shelter. May you find Him closer than a brother all your days, all of your days. May God give you eyes to see His still greater courage to rise and believe He's able. May God be your peace in the fire you're walking through. This is my prayer now. This is my prayer for you.